Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a mockup in Canva. So let's get started. Creating mockups in Canva is a straightforward process that lets you visualize designs on various products like apparel, mugs, or posters. Let's walk through the steps. To begin, create your design by selecting the desired canvas size in Canva. For instance, if you're designing for a t-shirt, search for a t-shirt template or manually set dimensions. Canva provides a blank canvas for you to work on, but you can customize it for any product by choosing the appropriate size. Once your canvas is ready, you can either start from scratch or pick a template from Canva's library. For the design, start adding elements like text and graphics. For example, create a block with a text overlay. You can customize text size, alignment, and fonts using Canva's text tools. To enhance your design, explore the Elements section to find patterns, shapes, or icons that complement your vision. Resize, duplicate, or arrange these elements as needed until your design looks just right. When you're satisfied with the design, it's time to turn it into a mockup. Click the three dots in the upper right corner of Canva and search for Smart Mockups. This feature integrates with the Smart Mockups platform, where you can save and preview your design. Log into Smart Mockups with your Google account if needed, and your design will appear ready to be applied to various mockup templates. Smart Mockups offers previews on multiple items, such as t-shirts, sweatshirts, mugs, and more. Choose your product category, for example, t-shirts, and select a specific template to see how your design looks on a real product. You can even experiment with other categories like packaging, home decor, or tech accessories. The flexibility of this platform allows you to visualize your design on diverse items like magazines, iPhone cases, or pillows. Keep in mind the size and resolution of your design. For smaller items like mugs, use a smaller canvas such as 6x6 inches to ensure the design fits perfectly without losing quality. For larger items, scale up your canvas to avoid pixelation. High-resolution designs are crucial for professional quality prints. While Canva once offered a direct Smart Mockups integration, this feature has been removed. Now, you need to save your design in Canva and open it in Smart Mockups to view previews. Although this extra step may seem inconvenient, the process remains user-friendly and efficient. By following these steps, you can create visually appealing mockups that showcase your designs effectively. Experiment with different products and sizes to tailor your mockups to specific needs. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.